Good afternoon and welcome to the St. Clair County COVID-19 briefing. I'm joined today by EMA Director Herb Simmons and Samantha Bierman from the Health Department. Sam, you've got today's numbers.
Yes, as a county, we're having a much better day than we were yesterday. Obviously, statewide, we are still much higher than we would like to be. So as of today, 121,568 St. Clair County residents have been tested, which is an increase of 1,448 from yesterday. We are at 9,786 positive test results, which is an increase of 107 from yesterday. And that does include both males and females from under the age of 1 up to their 90s. Today, our daily county positivity rate is 6.9%. We are at 111,782 negative test results. Unfortunately, we are adding an additional death today, which does bring our total for St. Clair County up to 228. That was a man in his 90s who had unknown health conditions, and as always, our sympathies go out to his family. For those who have completed the required IDPH 10-day isolation period, we are at 8,739. For state totals, 8,116,728 have been tested, with 447,491 positive test results, which is an increase of 9,935 from yesterday. And for deaths, the state is reporting 10,030, which is an increase of 97 from yesterday. For hospitalization numbers in St. Clair County, currently we have 63 individuals that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 7 of them are on ventilators. And regionally, we have 121 patients that are admitted due to COVID-related reasons, and 14 of them are on ventilators. For our congregate living facilities that are currently or have previously been an outbreak, these are cumulative numbers, and we will only announce any facilities that have had any changes. The Esquilin Dammert Center at the Shrine has 61 cases and 10 deaths, which is an increase of 1 death for that facility. And Freeburg Care Center has 9 cases and no deaths, and that is an increase of 1 case for that facility. We do still have some testing opportunities available this week. Tomorrow, we have a newly added test site at Clair Fairgrounds in downtown Belleville, and that is from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m. and from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. And then on Sunday, November 8th, from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at McKendree University on 400 North Alton Street. And all of this information will be on both the Health Department Facebook page as well as the EMA page. And I will turn it over to Herb for his update.
Thanks, Sam. We appreciate it. And the word today is testing.
Testing.
We showed the numbers today, and even though we had 107 new positives
We had over 1,400
tested.
exactly.
So the word is get tested. We'll go into the zip code report today. 62201 goes up 5 to 306. 62203 goes up 3 to 299. 62205 goes up 3 to 265. 62206 goes up 2 to 555. 62207 goes up 1 to 294. 62208 goes up 7 to 575. 62220 goes up 1 to 714. 62221 goes up 7 to 891. 62223 goes up 8 to 606. 62225 goes up 1 to 43. 62226 goes up 12 to 1,045. 62232 goes up 2 to 259. 62240 goes up 1 to 51. 62243 goes up 2 to 161. 62254 goes up 4 to 316. 62258 goes up 2 to 277. 62260 goes up 6 to 200. 62269 goes up 9 to 783. 62282 goes up 1 to 21. 62285 goes up 4 to 171. And as you heard Sam say, our daily county positivity rate is at 6.9 today. That gives us the 7-day rolling at 9%. The county positivity rate went up from 10.1 to 10.7, and that's the one that we really got to get down, and it's got to go back down the further and get back the regional positivity. The county positivity on the other counties came in today. Bond County helping out at 6.9. Thank you, Bond County. Clinton County come in at 16.9%. Madison at 16%. Monroe at 13.9. Randolph at 9.3. St. Clair County, 6.6%. Washington came in high at 25.5%. So again, thank you to those outer counties that are helping with the testing, and the other ones that are still up there high. If you could please step up and help us out all you can, because we're in this together. Brian, we going to have the road signs put back out that we had earlier on, back several months.
Absolutely, yeah. It's the time that we have to make sure that the word is out there, and as we're seeing numbers increase, and as we talked yesterday, increasing here in our own county, that we have got to make sure we keep this in front of everyone, and they understand the importance of practicing the 3 W's and making sure that together we work to bring this virus under control. We're not going to get rid of it, but we have to be able to bring the cases down. We saw earlier this week our hospitals were at the highest they've ever been during this pandemic, and that's as we're entering a flu season when there's going to be a lot more illness that needs hospitalization.
Well, and we heard Dr. Ezeke today talking about that same thing, about, we have to be prepared for the hospitalizations. And as we talked earlier, it appears that some people are waiting to go to the hospital longer, and of course, by the time they present themselves there, then they end up being admitted to the hospital. Mm-hmm. So we have to really work on that, and we will. I wanted to say thank you to the leaders in Fairview Heights and O'Fallon. They're also going to be putting their road signs back up, just kind of a reminder to the people when you're out doing your business. You'll see those signs, just reminding you. And of course, I know you're all saying, well, we know it's here. Well, some people have to be reminded over and over that it is here. It's not going away. And we've got to stay focused. And, one more death in our county. We're up to 228 in the county alone. Statewide, 10,030 lives have been lost to the COVID. And again, we've listened to all those conspiracies about how people die and it's not COVID related. And so, and Sam, you did a follow up on one of our followers and got them the answer they needed to that. And that's what we're here for. We'll try to answer all those questions.
And one thing I would like to remind everyone, when we announced the deaths for St. Clair County, as we did today, having 228, that does not mean that person may have only died of COVID only. They may have been a COVID-related death, which means that they may have had other issues, other medical diagnosis, and COVID exacerbated those. So please keep that in mind, that COVID may have been the complete cause, but some of these deaths are also COVID-related deaths.
Exactly.
And Sam, on that topic, something we answer a lot, you remove deaths that relate to trauma or homicide, motor vehicle accidents.
That is correct.
If they're COVID positive, but they die of an obvious traumatic injury, that is not counted as a COVID death.
That is correct. That is correct. Car accident, homicide, suicide, those types, if they are identified as COVID positive post-mortem, they do not count in the COVID rate.
That's good.
That is correct.
And we get that question asked quite a bit, and we see it pop up on our briefing, and we just want to clarify that. So maybe give some people a little peace of mind. I mean, anytime there's a death, it's hard, and that's why people have to take this serious, and we keep saying that day after day. We've all got to pull in the same direction. We've all got to be in this together. The region, we've just got to do it, and we can do it. We proved it before. Our businesses need our help, and you can help them by following the mitigations that are out there. I mean, it's rough on everybody, but, the higher those numbers go up, the longer it's gonna take us to get back down and get out of this mitigation. So let's everybody be a part of the solution, and we can get this done. We'll be back with Cindy in just a few moments to translate this into the Spanish communities, and then we'll be back tomorrow for day 238. Have a good evening.
Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs, TikTok, Grub, Hub, Twinks, Jocks, Bears, Cubs. Zoom is the new club. 6 feet, no hugs, still beat these mugs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
No school, gym closed. Don't touch these clothes. Need food, this blows. Line at Trader Joe's. At home, gym, fish. Don't come close. Just wave, blow a kiss. Mask for mask, sis. Left, right, swiping on Tinder. What was life like? I can't remember. Needing my haircut, somebody shave her. Where is all of the toilet paper?
Gloves, soap, scrubs. Mask, gloves, soap, scrubs.
Okay, dolls, y'all know what time it is. Come on, stay inside and lock the door.